I don't know.
You do? What you want to get?
Chocolate.
More chocolate? Really? What the heck? How many chocolate bars are you talking about?
200.
200? You wanted 1,000 last time?
Yeah.
Oh, now you want 1,000.
Yeah.
Why did I let you know about 1,000? Oh, jeez.
Oh no.
Well, I spotted some stuff, guys. I was out and about. It's actually 7 o'clock in the morning right now. The store will be opening at 8 a.m. I spotted some stuff in there. Looked like a lot of goodies. So I came back, woke up Alan because I knew he wanted to go. And here we go. We're going to do it, right?
Yeah.
We're going to find the goodies.
Yeah.
All right. And here we go. Let's do this thing. Alright guys, we made it to save a little, save a lot. That's where we're at, guys. Check it out. Look at this. I was shocked when I seen all this. We might have to use a box and our tote. Actually, I'll keep that in there. Keep it going. Yeah, look at this. We got boneless ribeye steaks. And we got boneless beef top round steak. We got pork neck bones. Another pork neck bone. And boneless pork center cut. I'm not sure about those. Those are kind of pretty discolored. This looks alright. Another round steak. And more neck bones here. And we got, oh look at this, family pack. Boneless ribeye steaks. Oh, look at them. Those look yummy. And we got Hawaiian rolls. We'll probably put the rest on the too. Fill that one up. One more pork neck bones. Might donate the pork neck bones.
Yep.
Because they make a lot of like soups and stuff out of those. And that place we donate to, they could feed a lot of people with different types of soups that they make. They really do feed the community a lot. Make meals for the community. Yep, I woke Alan up, asked if he wanted to come. I said, yep. What else we got over here? Holy moly. What is this? Ricola. Ricola. Remember that commercial?
Yeah.
Ricola. Oh, there's some bread. Let's see. Ooh. And some more pork neck bones. And we got some chicken. We got chicken. And we got more chicken. Chicken legs. Chicken thighs. That legs on here. More neck bones. Probably donate some of these too, because there's a lot of Hawaiian rolls there. And I don't see no rips, and I don't see any mold inside of them, so should be good. What is this? Beef steak? What's on there? Grape. That is beef stew meat. I think it's probably still good. Probably shouldn't stick it with that though. At least under. Oh, I'm like tripping on stuff, guys. Alright, we got that one. We got a milk here. Spire 121. Just a couple days past. Here's another one. 121. Now I think we just gotta get the rest of the rolls. Oh, mom might want some grapes. Them ones look not so good. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna start passing stuff to you and get the rest of the rolls. There we go. It's not heavy. Oh, there's some more Ricola drops. Well, I can probably bring some of these and we'll just take one home and donate the rest of them. Them ones are no good. Alright. Now we're making some progress. Some more Ricolas. Frozen. Oh, those are all smashed up. Alright. Here's another box. Not too bad. It's got handles on it. Oh, a couple more of these things. Oh, jeez. Look at all these. I'm gonna have to rinse them. Alright. We got this box. Yeah, I got about four or five grab bags earlier, guys. Alright, guys. Well, we will see you guys at the next stop. We gotta get this stuff loaded up. Alright, guys. I have to fix my thing, and I can't fix it right now. I gotta fix it once I get back in the truck. Lots of nooks. And we got, look at this, guys. We got all them tortillas. Let's put them in the box. Yeah, I would have had to get out to go fix this. So. Let's figure out, wait till I get back in the truck. There's a couple rugs. Oh, they cut them. Yeah. They sliced them. Another tortilla. There's a bunch of broken stuff. Broken keyboard. Broken dog bowl. Fat bomb bars. What's that down there, guys? Oh, look, there's some chocolate.
What?
Rudolph's chocolate. Oh, what's that? Looks like a, it's either a DVD player or a sound bar. But I don't know if it's in there. It's probably not in there. Nope. It's folding. Well.
Nope.
Oh, popcorn ball?
Yeah.
Oh, there's another milk.
Down there.
We can donate. Alright, guys. Well, we will see you guys at the next stop. Probably the haulback.
Yep.
So you was having a little trouble there with the seatbelt there, Sonny. Said don't like my seatbelt in my door, don't like my seatbelt on the floor. I like my seatbelt across my chest. I like my seatbelt. It's the best. Oh jeez.
On a busy night.
Crazy morning. It's morning time, dude.
Nice.
Oh yeah. It's not even 8 o'clock in the morning yet. We're maniacs today. We're out with everybody's home sleeping. All right, guys. We will see you in just a second at the next stop. All right, guys. Well, this is what we got for our donations. We got 16 packs of the Hawaiian rolls. We got 3 packs of grapes. There's a total of 6 or 7 gallons of milk there. There's 3 packs of the tortillas. And then we got 7. There's 7 packs of these pork neck bones, which they can make soup out of them. They can make you can make pork barbecue with them. That's what I done before. But then we got these clothes here. I found these in a dumpster, actually. Somebody threw them away, so I just rescued them. I think they're like junior sizes or something like that. But so yeah, that's our donations. Now time for the haul back. All right, here's what we got. We got the Slim Fast Keto Bomb bars. Oh, and the milk, I was gonna tell you guys, all this milk is marked February. Look at that. February 2nd of 21. We're not even there yet. So it's all still within date. But we got, you know, we got 2 gallons there, 3 gallons, 4 gallons, like 4.5 gallons of milk there. And we got 3 packs of the tortillas. Oh, we got one of our meats in there. And then we got 2 packs of chicken legs. We got, I don't know, like 15 or 16 of the Ricolas. Alan got 1 little thing of chocolate.
Yeah.
He's happy.
Happy now.
And he got a popcorn ball.
Yeah.
We got our chicken. We got our beef stew meat. We got our boneless ribeye steaks. Those look good. Oh, and I got the 1 popcorn off. That was off camera. And we got 2 of these boneless top round steaks. They don't look too bad.
Not too bad.
And a candle. This I got earlier.
Come on.
I got this earlier when I didn't have my camera. I went back home and got Alan.
So
when I seen all that bread and all the milk and stuff, and you know, well, the milk wasn't at the one place, but when I seen all the bread and the meat and stuff, it was craziness. So I'm like, come on, Alan, let's go get it.
Let's get it. So
we got 11 packs of rolls to share with family and friends, and they got 16 packs, so that's a lot of rolls. Yep. That's a lot of rolls. They can make a nice meal with that, though. I mean, they can make a soup out of those neck bones, and they could, you know, warm up some rolls, and then they got milk to go with it.
Yep.
I mean, you got a meal right there.
Good meal of it.
All right, guys. I think we're gonna say goodnight, or good morning, I should say. Yeah.
Good morning, son.
We're never out here this early in the morning. We're gonna say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sunshine. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future adventurous dumpster diving videos. And I'm always getting excited about all the goodies that we found in the dumpster there.
Marty?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Look at the sunny out.
Well, it's It's daytime.
Daytime morning.
I haven't seen no sun, but it is daytime. All right, guys. We love you.
Morning.
And we will see you next time. Bye now.
Don't forget to wear your seatbelt, y'all. Said, don't like my seatbelt in my door. Don't like my seatbelt on the floor. I like my seatbelt across my chest. I like my seatbelt. It's the best. Oh, boy. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Stay safe. Be careful if you go out there. Thank you very much again. Have a great, wonderful weekend. Stay blessed.